greeting and a Happy New Year. Actually, the coming year, whether become happy year or miserable year, depend on us. So, just the first day of the new year, I think we should determine, at least this year, I will be a more sincere human being, a compassionate human being, and try to create firstly inner peace oneself, then try to share more people. That's the way to build happy year, isn't it? So think that way.
로디 탄단 데버식 깨리 인사마 슝나 엔 끼우야래 자소 다 로디 차라 친수 선배 서로 엔 독선이 샤베 있나 로디 나로래 녀크던 데베 선치베 있나 빼랑 덮져버리 자장 안조 로사바티 원에 탄단 데버식 지기 인사마 체 로제마 양 로사바티 요 그도로 로 데버식 하시 땅에 데베 로디 탄단 데버식 뮤직 깨리 인사마 슝나 야고야래 야고 샤베 있나 그 슈긴디 미치기 슈긴 미줄테 미주부디게 양도 슈긴 미짤테 도스니 그 지졸이야 그게 슈긴 태아서 도스 루주로 와 그다음 지조 슈긴이 미게 그 소소 구조시 뭐게 봐 도와주는 식 넘디 군도하시는 연구사 요말다
I would like to express my greetings for New Year. And then the important thing is we should think past year, check if the past year you use properly. That means, you see, if possible, helping other, serving other. If not, at least not harming other. So that's meaningful life. This is too much also the thinking selfish and exploit other people. Then you see your life spent not properly spent. So now, if someone, you see, who carried that kind of life, then now New Year begin. So you should think, now past is past. Now from next day, a new year, I should be it's the same physical, same sort of name, but way of sort of life, more compassionate way, more meaningful way. So this is I want to express as a greeting of New Year. Meantime, you see, in New Year, some also some party and drink. The short moment, happy, but too much drink, then eventually start fight. So then New Year spoil. Happy New Year spoil. So Happy New Year, we should carry it very peaceful, very gentle way, and then not only the new year, but the whole year. As space endures, and for as long as living beings remain. Until then, may I too invite to dispel